Hey guys, welcome back to the Man Cave. We have got a new episode. We are doing something a little different. We are still working and modifying and accessorizing, but today is special because today's video is an unboxing of a new product from a company called Vont. They have some LED strip lights for your car, truck. They've sponsored the channel. So I'm gonna make a video with their product and install it on one of the vehicles here at the Man Cave, or so-called Man Cave. But I'm just trying to decide which vehicle would be good. So on that note, let's get busy. Let's get the unboxing done on this. These LED lights from Vont, they're car strip lights. Let's check them out. So here's the box that came in. Like I said, Vont, they reached out to me and wanted me to feature this strip light and test it. And it seemed kind of interesting. Thought you guys would enjoy it. So on that note, let's open this box up. That's pretty cool. It's nice boxing. We got a little funny saying there to greet you with. A couple cards here. Scan their QR code and get the manual. It's also available on your App Store and Google Play. And from what I gather, there's more functions to this light through their app. So we're going to download that app. Get back to the unboxing. It comes with a little quick start card. Get the most out of your light. A couple of functions. Seems pretty straightforward. Shouldn't be too difficult. Inside the box. Also comes with various zip ties. You can never have enough zip ties, so that's pretty cool. Your cigarette lighter, auxiliary plug adapter, and that is an on-off switch. So that's kind of cool. You can turn it on, turn it off. So if you've got, like, some cars have their auxiliary cigarette plugs where they stay on even though your vehicle is turned off, you can just push that button and turn your lights off. So that's pretty cool. Looks like this is the controller. It has an on and off also. Probably function and brightness. I do not have my camera stabilizer today, so we're just kind of free-handing it. So it looks like there are 4 lights, and also has some 3M tape on the back and on the back of the light strip, so you can, man, you can stick this stuff anywhere, you know. You can put this about anywhere you wanted to. It also mentioned that these lights work off sound, so like if you have music playing, they should flash or, you know, sync with the music. So it looks like we can do two maybe in the under the dash, one for the passenger, one for the driver, and there may be, looks like plenty of wire. We could possibly do a back seat. Now that we got the unboxing out of the way, let's go install this on a car. So yeah, I think we're going to put this in the Nismo. And I waited till dark so that way we could get the best visual of these lights. We want it to look good, and the best time for these lights are going to be at night. I know they're LEDs, they'll probably look good in the car during the day. This mode hasn't seen too much action on the channel. Let's give it some love. Let's do some modifying. All right, you guys, it is hot as Hades, even at night. But got them installed. It didn't take but a few minutes. Just trying to figure out where I wanted them. Probably took more time than anything because they're pretty much really easy. Just plug and play, stick it where you want it. Routing your wires was pretty easy. I just tucked them under the floor mats or your trim, your kick panels. They can tuck in there real nice and easy. But I got it all installed and I put everything on my center console. A bunch of stuff in there. But there's an outlet there, and then my control, it's 3M'd, so I stuck it right there so I could easily turn them on and off, you know, whenever I need to. And it doesn't interfere with anything else. So definitely great, but man, let's try it out. So, ooh, look at that. That came right on. So guys, with that in mind, I could have been there all night. This LED strip light from Vont, it has 16 million colors and 30 different scenes, modes, you know, like lightning and calm and vibrant and energetic. Man, this thing has got more options you can shake a stick at. DIY, you can do your own custom colors with this. It is RGB and the options are almost unlimited. You know, 16 million colors is a lot. So red looked really good on that Nismo, so I just kind of went with that. It's real easy. It has about 21 feet of wire. You can put them in the front and in the rear if you have a back seat, which is great for, you know, just more visual appearance. You know, the little Nissan, it's a two-seater, so I kind of put them in between that center console, and that lit up that whole area, and man, it looked really great. Anyhow, go check them out at vont.com. There, I'll put a link in the description below, also along with their Amazon store. They offer same-day shipping, 30-day return, and a lifetime guarantee on this product. So 24/7 support. So I really enjoyed it. Thank you, Vont, for sponsoring this channel. I hope this was a good video. If you was interested in doing LED lights on your project, and I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.